Yeah, this is a AutoCAD demo section. So, first of all, what is AutoCAD? Yeah, so AutoCAD is a very basic and initial software for each and every engineering design field. If I am talking about we want to switch our field, yeah, we want to join any of design organizations in engineering, then you should must be knowledge about the AutoCAD software, because AutoCAD software is a very initial and basic requirement for CAD. Now you have questions about like CAD. What is CAD? So CAD is a computer aided design. It means we are using a computer for our designing purpose. So using why we are using computer? So computer is used because the computers done our work very fast, accurate, and it's remove human errors. So we use a computer in our design purpose. After that basic knowledge about the CAD, we can move on different softwares as per your field. Like if I'm talking about mechanical guys, then it's convert it's advanced mode 3D modeling softwares which have more parametrics, and we can also simulate our design in these softwares. Then we use SolidWorks, Creo, NX, SolidEdge, and in last we use ANSYS. So if I'm talking about civil and architecture fan, then we use a more parametric softwares compared to AutoCAD. It's a Revit and 3ds Max. So here today I saw one demo section about the AutoCAD softwares. So this is a 2018's version Autodesk AutoCAD. Basically Autodesk companies design a AutoCAD software. So here we clear about our 2D and 3D modeling features of AutoCAD. So basically course is divided into three parts: 2D, 3D, and isometrics. You can also draw a isometric views using a AutoCAD. So this is a 2018 version. As per Windows 10 changes, AutoCAD 2018 also some basic changes, and this is 2019, 2018, 17, 16 is a almost similar versions. So this is our like ribbon bar. Above the ribbon bar is our quick access bar. This is our workspace area. Right hand side top corner is a view cube, navigation bar. Bottom side of right side is a status bar. AutoCAD run on different types of modes. So which mode is on and which mode is off, how to we guess? So we use a status bar for our mode status. Above of status bar is called a command window. So it's a connect with our bridge reference between human and softwares. Here we can see a model, and beside of model we can see a ISO A3 title block. It's a layout sheet. So we require a final drawing on a paper of some using some layouts and with a title block. So AutoCAD also facility to set our drawing into sheets and on standard sheets. So let's today show some basic features of AutoCAD and clear about this what is software and how to its use and all. So basically 2D ड्राइंग्स में हमारा ड्रॉ, डायमेंशन एंड मॉडिफाई ये तीन चीज का कवर अप होता है, जिसमें हम लोग बेसिक सब टूल्स लर्न करते हैं. आफ्टर बेसिक्स वी कैन मूव टूवर्ड एडवांस 2D AutoCAD. It's called layer, block, properties, utility tools, and parametric tool also. So after that we learn about the 3D modeling basic concept to the advanced concept. After that, how to create layouts and how to create PDF, plottings, animations, and small render effects. So let's try one some basic example with AutoCAD. So AutoCAD is a very precise software. For number of copies, I use a array tool. Array is used for create a number of copy with a any of center point. Select for arc a center. Radius is like 340. It is a very basic example. I want to see this circle into some transition. So I use decrease the transitivity of this circle. Now I come with isometric view for our 3D modeling. So this is a 3D modeling. So what exactly done is convert our ribbon bar into some basic 3D modeling features. Just click on internal regions of my geometry and create a 3D directly to give a height in a Z direction. Here we have option about the realistics. So AutoCAD have a different types of visual styles are available. For 2D drafting we use 2D wireframe, and after that we can also cover realistic view. For better visualization, we can also give a material to these objects. So I use a material browser for my element material selection. We can also choose a match property tool for our basic tools like this guy. We can also do a render of this product. Render image used for making brochures, and before production we can see our real product, what it means, how its appearance and all. Render file image format is a JPNG and PNG, so we can also show in our smartphones. Here we have option about view, base and Autodesk from model. So we can directly convert our 3D model into a 2D geometry. So we don't require to create a 2D drawings if we are create a 3D model. Select whichever models drawings you want. By default view is a front view, and after that's all we can whatever view is required we can create it. So it is one of the latest feature of the AutoCAD. We can also change this visual style. We can also create a section views. So it is a section view of this front view. We can also create a projected of this sectional view. So this is a basic introduction of AutoCAD software.